Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixAdventures. Today in this video, I'm going to be doing a quick review of the GoPro Max Grip Plus with a tripod. So let's go ahead and jump in the video right now. So I recently purchased the Max Grip Plus, and this device looked very neat. And it also came with a tripod. The tripod is literally built into the handle. And one of the cool features of this actually does indeed float. So if you do happen to put your GoPro in water, this entire tripod will float and you won't lose your GoPro. So to open up the tripod, if you look at the bottom, there's 3 different legs to it. So I can literally just pull out the legs just like this, and I'll convert the stand into a tripod. And then I can place my GoPro on top of it. So let's place my GoPro on the tripod right now. So I have the GoPro Hero 9, and I love the Max Lens Mod. It keeps the horizon absolutely stable at any angle, even if my GoPro is upside down. Alright, so now I have my GoPro on the stand. Let's go ahead and extend it. So this is what it looks like without the grip extended, and it's about maybe a foot. If I go ahead and extend it by twisting the top, just like this, I can go up and out. And then I'll twist it back to the right and I'll lock it in. Now I'd say this grip extended is about 2 feet. Then I can tilt my camera downward at me, and then I can extend my arm. And this is a good extension overall. Now you can also go down each individual level. If you twist it and bring it down, twist it again to the right, snap it in. And I can do that with all of the different levels, so I can do it again also. So if I hold it right here, twist it, I can bring it down even more. Twist it again, boom, and then go down all the way. Perfect. Then you can put it in the tripod mode at the highest or the lowest levels as well. So let's extend it to the fullest. Boom. And this is what it looks like fully extended with the tripod out. Now one of the cool things is, if you were to be underwater with your GoPro, you could have your stand extended just like this, and then your GoPro kind of like underwater, filming you as you swim, or if you're fishing or doing any kind of activity in the water, the stand could be hovering above you, filming you as you go. Now if I'm going to be doing any kind of running with this stand, it actually feels pretty stable, and it doesn't seem like it's flimsy whatsoever. And the stand with the GoPro on it isn't very heavy. My arm would definitely be sore if I'm running long distances, but if I'm going for a casual walk, I won't have a problem. It's a soft material on the bottom, and the rest is just plastic material. If this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more GoPro tech out videos coming up next on YourSixAdventures.